Welcome back to another video. This is my cousin's first song.
And there's hair on kinetic slime.
It goes from the ground because it always drops in the ground, and for some reason there's hair. But that's all the time because
No, we have more time. I never touched kinetic slime.
But he was touching it because he really wanted to touch it, and this is his first day, so
Yeah.
tell them how you feel about kinetic sand.
Good.
Actually looks like cloud slime.
Yeah. It actually looks like sky slime.
Cloud sky slime.
Well, if you want to get it out, you have to pick up a ball and then put it on you to get it out of your hand.
So this is gonna be a short video, but hope you guys like it.
No, I'm not gonna get out because we have to make stuff and that's it.
Okay.
I'm gonna make a ball.
But this is still gonna be a short video. See, they dropped in the ground. So this is what it comes with.
That and this star and this cool sandcastle. That's a blue one. This is purple, this is red, and this is green.
So yeah, bye guys.
No, we're just gonna make one stuff and that's it.
Okay. See, he really likes kinetic sand and making videos with me. I like them too, but I didn't know what to do in this video, and he was like, let's make a video, and I was like, okay, but I didn't know what he wanted to do, so yeah.
Look at this ball I made.
I'm making a sandcastle.
Whoa. Why is there?
You scared him?
We went to eat teriyaki, guys. But
you guys? Oh, this is my cousin. I don't know. I actually didn't know if he went to eat or not. So this is a good sandcastle. And it's not the thing. It's this thing right here. It's a good sandcastle. See, I'll show you. I'll try to put it in my book. See? And squish, squish, squish. Okay, bye guys.
Wait, I'm gonna make this.
Oh, I actually did one. It just broke.
Okay. Bye guys.
Bye guys.